Welcome to the STUDDS Urban Part Replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor mechanism replacement. To open the visor mechanism, first remove the top cover. Use a screwdriver covered with soft cloth and pull it out. Pull out top cover from its slots, one by one, as shown in the video. Open the screw. Pull out the base cover. Pull out the visor from its mechanism. Repeat the process for the other side of the helmet. First, remove the top cover. Open the screw. Pull out the base cover. Pull out the visor from its mechanism. Now to remove the visor mechanism. Keep all the parts safe. You will need them to reassemble the visor later. Reinstall the visor. Place the visor mechanism back in place. Then, place the visor on top of the visor mechanism. Ensure that the base plate fits outside, between the visor and the visor mechanism. Screw it. Then insert the top cover in its slots as shown. Operate your visor to see if it is working properly. Center and rear strip replacement. Your urban helmet comes with an attractive center and rear strip. To replace the center strip, first remove the visor. Then, use a thin screwdriver covered with soft cloth and gently pull it out from its slots, carefully one by one as shown in the video. To reinstall the strip back again, gently push it inside the given slots. It will adjust in its slots perfectly. Rear strip replacement. To replace rear strip, use a thin screwdriver and gently pull it out from its slots one by one as shown. To reinstall rear strip back again, gently push it inside the given slots one by one and make sure it fits properly. Cheek pads replacement. To remove the cheek pads, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the two snaps opening. Repeat the same for the other side. Then pull out the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheet comes out of the helmet. Both the cheek pads detached from the helmet. To reinstall the cheek pads back, push the plastic sheet inside first and then snap the cheek pads back in its place. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studds.com or get in touch with your nearest STUDDS dealership.